Hello, my name is Dr. Kate Kagan. I teach Spanish and some Gen Ed core courses. My RAC 301 section will focus on learning differences and disability awareness. As a part of this course, students will engage in service learning projects with Wildwood adult learners, supporting their learning and their development through guided activities and meaningful interactions. These service learning projects will typically take place through Google Meet, and there are two options. The first one, where the majority of RSC students will participate, is College Connection Reading Tutoring, meets every Monday, 5 to 5:45 p.m. During this section, Russell Sage College students provide one-on-one reading tutoring component as a part of their service hours, and students will read materials on topics of interest, develop vocabulary, and apply reading comprehension strategies. The second choice, but only 3 or 4 Russell Sage students needed for this one, is a college connection navigating personal health topics. These sessions are offered through Google Meet as well, typically on Tuesdays, 5 to 5:45. And our students would prepare some key personal health topics to discuss through guided readings and discussions. Thank you.